Hi, it's Jared from Strongroots Farm with another Farm Tech Friday, where we show you some neat hacks, tricks, tools, gadgets that you can use on your small farm or homestead. They have to be affordable, they have to work, and we're gonna show them to you. Today is kind of a weird gadget, but I have issues with older tractors. I like older tractors. They tend to last a lot longer. They're easier to work on, but they're missing a few things for convenience that I'd like. And today I'm gonna solve that, so stick around, we're gonna show you. Welcome back. I have an older John Deere, and it doesn't have a lot of the conveniences of the newer tractors, like AC and a radio and a cup holder and a toolbox. And so I wanna make something a little nicer for my tractor. I found it, it's less than 10 bucks, and I've really been happy with them. Now this may make me seem like a little bit of a Nancy, but what I'm talking about is a cup holder. I bought magnetic cup holders for my tractor. These magnets are super strong. Put it on the fender, doesn't scratch the paint. They are coated, so you can move them around. My Yeti cups fit in here for coffee. My water bottles fit in here. And then of course, any can or plastic bottle that you would drink of fit in here. When I'm out bush hogging, staying hydrated is important. Now, if I was gonna be out all day long, I would pack a cooler if I was far away from the house, but our farm is pretty much all connected around our house here on a small farm. So a water bottle is good for me, but I have found if you stay hydrated, you can work longer. You're more comfortable, your body feels better, but I was always losing bottles, or they were bouncing off in the field when we were baling hay or we were bush hogging. And so I bought this to try. They're less than 10 bucks and everything fits in it. And my favorite thing is it's just super strong. It never falls off. So these videos are short. This may seem silly to you, but for less than 10 bucks, these are very worth it. We bought actually 4 of these. They're on our Gator. All of our tractors have them now. I put one in my toolbox, and you can find a cheaper one like this at Harbor Freight. So the US General Toolbox cup holders are at Harbor Freight. These are nice for your toolbox, but they don't work on a tractor as it's bouncing across the field, as it's hot, and it doesn't hold anything that's super heavy. It's not meant for that. This, on the other hand, which I'll have the link down in the description, will hold on to any fender. It doesn't matter how much you bounce it, these things do not fall off. Now you may be saying, Jared, I just bolt one on there, it's not a big deal. Well, I don't want to drill holes in my fender. I don't want to do that kind of stuff, any damage. And so I found these, they work really well, and then they have inspired a new project where I'm gonna buy these magnets and find a cheap plastic toolbox at Harbor Freight, bolt these magnets to it, and magnetic connect that to my fender. It won't scratch it. Later, if I wanna sell the tractor or if I wanna take the toolbox off, I can, and it continues to hold. And so it allows me to have pliers and that kind of things. So I may show that video later, but I'm gonna work on that. That's a little side thing. But today, the magnetic cup holder, I highly recommend them. There you go. Well, thanks for watching kind of a chintzy video today, but I hope that helps you. It's been very useful to me. It's less than 10 bucks. You're looking for a stocking stuffer or a gift or anything for your husband. There you go. Send that to your wife. There you go. Appreciate you watching. Have a good one.